Welcome to the video demo of Big Monitoring Fabric Pattern Masking Service by Big Switch Networks. Big Monitoring Fabric, or Big Mon, is architected for hybrid cloud visibility and security, delivering cloud-style monitoring as a service. It enables IT operators to pervasively monitor all application traffic by gaining complete visibility into the physical, virtual, and cloud environments. One of the components of Big Mon is the Big Mon Service Node. The service node offers highly performant and scale-out advanced packet services like pattern matching, pattern masking, packet deduplication, header stripping, net flow generation, and many more on industry-standard x86 hardware. Once connected to the fabric, the service node is automatically discovered by the Big Mon controller. Now let's take a closer look at the pattern masking service available on the Big Mon Service Node. Let's consider that the packets that are tapped from the production network have sensitive information, say like social security numbers. When the fabric forwards these packets without a masking service, the tools now have access to the sensitive data within the packets. This can violate the compliance and the privacy policies of an enterprise. In this example, we see that the tapped packet has multiple instances of the social security numbers spread throughout the payload, and this will be sent as is to the tools. With BMF policy without the masking service, Wireshark, which is emulating the tool, sees the sensitive information as is. Let us see how Big Mon's simple and scale-out pattern masking service is used to match and mask these patterns. We insert a pattern masking service in the path. This service is managed by the same Big Mon controller that manages the switching fabric. Packets that enter the fabric are inspected by the masking service. The data in the payload that matches the configured pattern is masked with a fixed pattern, thus avoiding accidental exposure of the sensitive data to the network admin or to the tools. Let us now see how configuring the pattern masking service and applying it to the BMF policy is accomplished using the Big Mon GUI. Under Big tab, access the Manage Service menu. Add a new service, give a name to the service, then select the switch and then the interface where the service node is physically connected. We then select Mask as the service. We then configure the pattern, which can be a regular expression that follows the Python syntax. Amongst the options, start and end options are the offsets used from the start and the end of the pattern match in case the user wants to mask the pattern partially. The user is also provided with an option to look for matching patterns starting at various anchor points such as layer 3 header, layer 4 header, or layer 4 payload. Now that we have created the masking service, let us edit our original policy to include this service. Edit the policy, click Services menu for the policy, and add the managed service we just created. Save the policy, and we are all done. Let us now send the packet we saw earlier that has multiple instances of social security numbers. Wireshark, which is emulating the tool, shows each character in all the matching patterns being masked with a fixed character X. We can also note that the numeric pattern that does not follow the SSN pattern the user expects is not identified as a valid pattern and hence not masked. To recap, we saw that the Big Mon Service Node provides advanced packet manipulation services like pattern mask, which are not available on the traditional switching ASIC. By leveraging industry-standard x86 hardware, Big Mon Service Node provides a highly performant solution with scale-out architecture. With zero touch, Big Mon Service Node is auto-discovered and managed by the Big Mon controller, providing a single pane of glass management. This concludes the demo. To try the hands-on lab with Big Monitoring Fabric, please visit us at labs.bigswitch.com. Thank you for watching.